I definitely have pneumonia right now, but I'm gonna be filming this anyway. Fun and fresh. Hey everyone, it's Morgan. I'm still very sick with pneumonia, but I wanted to shoot this video. I know us short-haired gals struggle with finding cute ways to style our hair, and that's what this video is for. I'm gonna be showing you guys hairstyles for those right after you wash, when your hair is super greasy, and when you're just really lazy and don't wanna do that much to your hair. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel down below. I definitely do not have the nicest looking hair. It's a little bit flat, probably because I haven't washed it in like a week. My first tip for your hair is to always own a can of dry shampoo. This stuff is my lifesaver. All you gotta do is spray it in your hair, and it pretty much makes it really good for those second and third day hairstyles, and fourth and fifth and sixth and sometimes seventh day hairstyles. Basically, my hair routine is I will wash it, and then on day one I'll wear it down. Day one and day two sometimes. Day three I'll usually put it up in a style. Day four, put it up in a style. Day five, put it up on a style. And if I stretch it out to day six, I will just sleek it down into a low pony. And don't think I'm nasty, because I do shower those days that I don't wash my hair. I used to wash my hair every day, but it actually seemed to be more greasy and less healthy when I washed it every day. So I just wash it once or twice a week now, and it seems to really be more healthy and more full. Before I get into this video, I kind of want to tell you guys that I love hair accessories. That is one thing that I love doing with my hair. Since I do have shorter hair and I can't do a bunch of extravagant braids, I like to always have scrunchies or cute headbands on hand just to spruce up my look. My first hairstyle is extremely flipping easy, let me tell you that. You're just gonna take one of these little headbands and put it in your head, and I don't have a mirror, so I probably look like a little boy right now.
Yeah, you do.
All you gotta do is part your hair wherever you wanna part it, get one of these little headbands, and put it in your hair. This is literally all you have to do for this style. You can always put your hair back into a little ponytail like that, or you can just leave it down, curl it, do whatever, but this is what I like to do on those lazy days that I want to look like I tried, but I didn't actually try. My second look is to use a scrunchie somehow. Now, I am addicted to scrunchies. This is like 1/10 of my collection, maybe. It seriously has so much hair on it, it's disgusting. What I'll do is just take my scrunchie, and on a lazy day, I'll just pull my hair into a half up, half down look. You could do a ponytail or a bun, but I personally like doing ponytails when it's higher like this. If you have thinner hair, you can always tease out the sides, but tame the tease. Then you have your second look. Now I'm gonna do one of my favorite looks. It's the double top knot, which I love. First, you're just going to part your hair down the middle. You're gonna do kind of a half up with this. Pull it up. And you can make this as messy or as sleek as you want. I personally like more messy hairstyles, unless I have super greasy hair, then I do more of a sleek. What I'm doing is grabbing the hair that I'm going to be putting in the bun, and I'm getting my fingers and just running them through that. Then I'm going to push this underneath the hand and kind of just form a big ball on my head. But you're just going to put that into a bun. Repeat this on both sides. I just keep tugging and adding clear elastics until I get the look I like. You're probably thinking, Morgan, you're probably putting in like 14 ponytail holders. Correct. To switch up this look a little bit, you could always add matching scrunchies or ribbons, and it would look really, really cute also. That's all for this look. My next hairstyle is actually the Dutch braids, which I do literally all the time. It's going to part your hair down the middle, or you could part it to the side to make more of an edgy look. But all you're going to do is Dutch braid your hair. Now I'm gonna link some Dutch braid hair tutorials down below because I'm awful at explaining things. So I'm just going to Dutch braid my hair, add it into 2 little pigtails, and I think it's really cute. You could also add ribbons into one of the strands to make more of a unique look. All a Dutch braid is pretty much just an inside out French braid. I'm not the best at it, I'm gonna admit that. Once you get used to the style, it only takes 5 minutes to do both sides. It's just a super cute, easy, simple, and you look kind of sporty, so you kind of look like, you know, you've been to the gym or something when you really haven't in reality. Just braid it as long as your hair will go. I actually did this hairstyle when I had really short hair too, and all I did was stopped up here and just made a pigtail.
I didn't notice until I was editing, but I have a giant bump on my head, so we're just gonna ignore that.
I like to pull out a little bit of pieces, make it a little bit messy, and there's my finished braid look. You can always, if you do have longer, shorter hair, pull your pieces and feather your braid, and I think that's a really cute look. The next hairstyle is kind of like a Instagram baddie hairstyle. You wanna be bad, wear this. You're gonna get all of the bad boys. You just pretty much put your hair into pigtails at the top of your head, and it looks really cute with curled hair too. You look kind of like a 2-year-old in this, but it's kind of cute. Like, I'm kind of living for it, right? This is pretty much my finished look for this hairstyle. This last hairstyle is for the days when your hair is a little bit more greasy, and literally every day for me. But all you have to do is part your hair in the middle, or if you have a little bit longer of hair, you can part it to the side. All you're going to do is just slick your hair back into a low pony. You'll look like a little boy a little bit when you first do this. Always put it into a scrunchie. And the scrunchie that I love using for this is this one from Urban Outfitters. It just has a little cute bow on it. And I think it adds a lot to this hairstyle, makes it look a little bit more put together, like you actually meant to do it like this instead of your hair being greasy. A tip for you guys, if you wanna make your hair a little bit more sleek looking, get your eyebrow gel. Just sleek down all of those hairs. And if you have really short bangs in your hair, just bobby pin them down. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and comment what content you'd like to see next. I like doing fashion, I like doing makeup, I like doing pretty much anything you can think of. I try to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday for you guys to give you guys more content. I will be doing a 100 subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I love you all, and I will see you next video. Mwah.